Hello guys, today we have iPhone 16. My customer just dropped this phone, the bag just ignore it, and the screen is also break. So in this video we are going to change the screen. So I already opened the bottom screws, you can see here, and already placed it here as well. So I already heat up the screen with the help of heat gun. I just use this pattern to get heat up the screen. You can, if I touch the screen, I barely can touch the phone. So the heat is enough for me. So I am going to use a blade and going to place it between the screen and between the body, and going to use some alcohol here. So the glue under the screen gonna be get soft. So here I'm going to pull up the screen like that, and you can see there's a gap also coming here, and I'm going to use some alcohol again. Here we go. Here I am going to use my nails here and going to use a plastic pen to make some gap between the screen and the body. So here I'm going to open like this, and here we go. So the corner is little bit stuck, so I will move like screen like this, so corner will be loose. Here I'm going to use my plastic pen here again, and here we go. So whenever you open the screen, you just need to flip your screen on the left side, because on the left side there is a display flags and face ID proximate sensor. So here we go, and there are two screws, both are 3-star screws. So here I am going to use a sport and going to use 3-star screwdriver, and we're going to remove the plate, and here we go. And the other one is on the top. So here I'm going to remove this plate here as well. So now I'm going to unplug the proximate sensor, and I'm going to unplug the display as well, and now the screen is free. So I am going to open this screw, and this screw is 5-star screw. So here I'm going to use 5-star screwdriver, 4-star screwdriver, and here we go, and going to remove this plate as well. So here we go. Now I am going to heat this one so I can remove the proximate sensor. Okay, I heat up the screen. Now I'm going to remove the proximate sensor. So first, when you are going to remove, you can hold like this and open this one very politely. And here we go, the proximate sensor is here. So here is our new screen. So here I am going to place our proximate sensor here, and here we go, it's done. Now I'm going to place the plate here. That is 4-star screw here. So proximate sensor is done. Now we are going to place our screen here. So for the screen, first again you just need to take a spot here, and and it's done. Now I'm going to use the plate here, so just close this phone. So there are 3 star screws here. So this one is done. And this one is as well. So now we are going to close this phone. Okay, so whenever you open the phone, you just need to place your screen from the start from this top and close like this. And here we go. So in this way you can change the screen of iPhone 16, and it's very quite simple. You can even change the screen in your home. Just make sure you have all the screwdrivers. So in this one you just need blade, 3-star screwdriver and 4-star screwdriver, and some alcohol and a heat gun. So with these tools you can change the screen of iPhone 16. So if this video a little bit help you, like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and it's meet Alan for me. Alan. So peace.